Hi everyone, it's Traveling Morena, and today bibisitahin natin ang first slow food community in the Philippines, and it's located here in Kalinga.
Ang prinsipyo ng slow food ay good, clean, and fair. Good kasi, of course, it's pleasurable when you eat it. It's clean kasi, as much as possible, we get our products from locally produced farms sa mga ating mga farmers. At mas natutulungan natin ang ating mga farmers kasi sila mismo yung pinagbibilhan natin. So, yun yung isa, fair, may justice. Kaya siya clean, fair, and good. And also, of course, food is always attached with our culture. Kaya kung napansin nyo yung ibang mga pinag-anuhan namin ng food, may mga pots, may mga baskets, mga gano'n. And yung slow food, literal na parang kabaliktaran ng fast food.
Fast food.
Kasi sa slow food, as much as possible nga, kukunin mo yung ingredients mo sa surroundings. The cultivation of taste, hindi siya nagsisimula dun sa paglagay mo ng lasa, pag nagluluto ka na. It starts with the cultivation, pag tinatanim mo na. So as much as possible, pinaprotektahan namin yung mga certain species ng seeds or plants or grains na kasali siya sa Ark of Taste of the World. Yung Ark of Taste, yun yung catalog ng mga taste sa buong mundo. So, meron kami noon, meron yung Chongak na rice.